Yes, guys, thank you very much, everyone. You guys are fabulous. Thank you, guys. Now, just a tip for you guys when you're doing social media and you're doing all these things, and I've said comments about certain people, I've said comments about certain celebrities and what they do, and what they're like, and had opinions. I've tried to be respectful. If I say something negative about a celebrity, I try to be respectful about it. I try to make sure when I'm talking about TikTok or YouTube, I'm respectful, right? They're powerhouses, right? I know maybe you might not like every decision they make, but they're powerhouses and you have to go by what they say, right? Just like when there's a celebrity and they just don't want you to be a certain way or whatever, you have to listen, right? There's authority, right? And people that are in power that you have to just listen to, even if you don't want to, right? But yeah, just so when you are a person on social media and maybe you go through somebody being rude or maybe you want to criticize someone, and some people are okay with that. They want to do that. They purposely want to do that. They know what they're doing. They feel fine about it. They like it. They want the controversy. Some people seek that out, right? But if you're not that type of person, or you want to, get on people's good side because, that's the side you should be on. And not necessarily some people don't want to be on that side, but if you want to be on everybody's good side, you make sure you treat people with respect, and you know that it's possible that someone, TikTok and YouTube especially, when you get banned or something, which I had a very hard time. I didn't want to get banned, and I got banned. You have to be respectful, right? Because they let me have a channel again on TikTok, and you have to just be respectful, right? But yes, obviously no one wants to be banned, no one wants to go through that. But the better you behave, the more chances you'll get better treatment when you return, or when some people aren't even allowed to return, right? So if you're able to return back on the platform, good for you, right? Because that's important, right? But yeah, in general, I don't plan on getting banned ever again. I manifest that I'll never get banned. I manifest that I'll be famous. I also manifest that well, I also do things purposely so that I don't get banned. Like I don't do covers anymore. I purposely try not to get copyright infringements. I purposely try not to be too risque because I know that can be a problem too. So yeah, even with this outfit, right? Like it was open on the chest, right? And I'm like, well, I'll put something there. Even though I didn't want to, I like this dress as is, but I had to put something there to block the front of it, right? Anyway, you know what I mean, guys. You know how when you want to just say like, and the thing is, TikTok and YouTube do make mistakes, and they do, things that maybe you don't like and can be detrimental. But, if it's out of your control and they purposely wanted to do something, they have power, right? So you have to respect what their decision is. I'm really hoping, I'm pretty sure I'm going to manifest never getting banned again. I'm going to do everything in my power not to get banned again. I think people like my channel a lot. And when I go viral this time, because I think I will, I'm going to manifest that I will. I'm going to manifest that I'm never going to be banned again. I have no violations ever. So I'm going to manifest good things. When I am famous, I'll remember, and I had covers before, right? That is a reason to ban someone, right? So as long as I don't do that now, I'm good, right? Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Bye now. Au revoir. Bye everyone. Thank you.